Hello, good evening to everyone. Sa mga nandito sa Middle East, my fellow OFW, good evening po sa lahat. And yung nasa Pilipinas, good morning. Hello, it's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Middle East, my fellow OFW. So, ngayon tingnan natin yung PCI, no? Kung ano po yung ng PCI ngayon. Tumataas ba si PCI o bumababa si PCI ngayon? Ngayon tingnan natin yung so we'll go going to the chart. Tingnan natin yung chart kung ano na yung price action ni PCI ngayong araw. So we'll see the price action of PCI. CPCI, as we check last Saturday and yesterday, PCI, this area is a resistant area. This is a strong resistant area. Itong dalawang line dito, ito po yung pinaka-strong resistant area ni PCI. So, hindi siya nakaabot dun sa may resistant area, the first line, the horizontal line above. And he's retracing today 1.17%. Okay? Because as I said, the RSI is now in an overbought condition. If we see the EDX, it is above 25. It is 26.86. And MACD is above the signal line and above the zero line. So if we see the EDX, there is strength. And for the MACD, there is momentum. But due to the RSI is above 70, it is in overbought condition. So what we will do now for PCI, we need to monitor if PCI will bounce on this horizontal line below this line. So tingnan natin kung may mag-bounce si PCI dyan. So kung mag-bounce si PCI, and we will see, no? Kung mag-bounce siya dito. And then we'll see if the RSI is not overbought condition. And then the EDX is above 25. And MACD is above the signal line. So there is a momentum and strength, no? As you know, EDX, hindi po siya nag-measure ng trend direction, but nag-measure siya sa strength. If the momentum is going down and the strength is the EDX is above 25, so there is a strong momentum going down. If the momentum going up and then EDX above 25, so there's also a momentum of the price going up because the ADX is above 25. So for PCI now, nag-retrace siya ngayon ng 1.17%. So as I said, we will see kung ma-hold ni PCI itong area na ito, yung horizontal line below. Ito po yung support. But if PCI will break this support line, we will expect PCI will go for retracement down. So we will monitor, okay? Because if PCI ma-break po na itong horizontal line, as I said, there should be a retracement of the price of the level of the price because it will go down again. Okay? But kung mag-sideway lang siya, so that is good. So that is a retracement row time. So we'll see tomorrow kung mag-hold siya sa horizontal line below this line. So now there is a request from my friends out there. We will see Converge. What happened to Converge? There is day 2, SSI. We have also STI, WAVE, PHA, EEI, ALTG, and ALLHC. So tingnan po natin to, no? So this is the request about my insight of this stock. But take note, I'm not recommending for buying, but this is only my idea in buying shares in the stock market. So how I buy shares in the stock market. So now we'll start with Converge. So Converge, this is the second day of Converge Information and Communication Technology Solution. But still is going down. Now if we see the daily chart, from yesterday, high is 16.8, and now today the low is 13.2. So if we measure this one from the above going down to the lowest portion, it is about almost 21%. So yung nakabili dito sa taas, hindi niyo binitawan yung stock, so you are now, your portfolio is down by 21%, up to the bottom, but nag-recover po siya, no? From 13.2, bumalik siya sa 13.92. So if we see the daily chart, wala po tayong makitang pattern dito. As I said yesterday, we will lower down the time frame to 1 hour. We will see. So in 1 hour chart, nag-create siya ng resistance in this area. Okay? Nag-create siya ng resistance on this area. Now, we will see on the 5 minutes chart. So, ganito po ang nangyari sa 5-minute chart. Okay? Ngayon, mag-draw tayo ng support. This area is another support. Okay? So, if ever Converge will break this resistance and stay on this area here, there is a possibility that it will go up to this resistance above. So we will lower down to 3 minutes para makita natin. So, ngayon, i-project natin to. Ito yung projection natin kahapon, yung incline resistance. We will project it downward. Okay? So, ganyan po ang mangyari ngayon, no? So, if ever converge will break this resistance above this line, and he will stay on this area. We need converge to break also this incline resistance. So kung pumunta si converge sa ditong area, so this is good for converge. But if ever bumalik siya dito, we will see if he will break again this support. Okay? But for me, kung ako yung mag-monitor, I want the convert to stay on this location. But there is a foreign buying today, 12.41 million. Kasi kung tingnan natin yung RSI kanina, yung nag-drop ng tuloy-tuloy si Converge, ay nasa oversold condition na. Kasi it's below 30. So umabot siya sa around 14. So nag-recover ng kaunti, then nag-sideway. But we need Converge to break this incline resistance. So kung mag-stay siya ditong area, so it is good. So we need him to break the incline resistance. Kung hindi niya ma-break yan, but kung hindi niya ma-break yan, so there's a possibility that he will go down to the support below. And there's a possibility na ma-break niya ulit itong incline, yung support below, yung horizontal line. Kasi kung lagyan natin ng line, dito yung pinaka lowest price ngayon, dito pong area. So, kailangan, we need Converge to go up to this location here. Kailangan ma-break niya yung incline resistance. So, kailangan natin dito maglalaro si Converge dito na area. Pero pag hindi, there's a possibility that he will hit this incline resistance and then going back. So, ganyan po ang nangyari kanina ng umaga. As we draw this incline line yesterday, na break niya ng kaunti and then bumalik sa ibaba. So, this is a post breakout. So, we need to aware na there's a post breakout and then tuloy-tuloy na nag-down si Converge. So, we will see if we can break this incline resistance. Now, let's go to dito. We will see dito. We will going back to the daily chart. So, sa daily chart, kung lagyan natin ng incline support, i-connect natin yung mga lows. Ito po yung incline support ni dito. And then, nandito rin siya sa may horizontal line. So, we will see kung mag-bounce si dito dyan. Going to the red line, which is the previous 52-week high. Ito yung pinaka-luma na 52-week high. Kasi yung bago ngayon, ay nandito na sa may 8.05. But itong 7.18, ito po yung luma na 52-week high. So we will see, dito will hold this incline support and then this horizontal support. But if ever dito will break this one here, this support, so we'll see another price action for dito. But we need dito to hold this area. So kung tingnan natin sa 1-hour chart, see dito, kung ano po yung nandiyan pa naman sa taas ng PMA 20. So, nandito pa naman sa area na okay pa naman itong area dito. But we need to say, we need to check if hindi niya ma-break itong incline support. But in case na mag-break yan, so this is another analysis. So kailangan natin na mag-hold si dito diyan. Bukas mag-bounce dito sa may horizontal line. Okay? Is I? Because is I, we discussed this one last October 22. So si ISISI ngayon ay umangat ng 12.82%. So we draw a line here, this incline support, and then nag-hold si ISISI. And now na-hit niya yung na-break na itong resistance above. We will monitor ISISI if we will stay on this location. So tingnan natin si ISISI kung mag-taas siya dito sa may EMA 200 and then there's a pullback. Ito yung resistance at magiging support. So we will see, no? Baka mag-pulse breakout lang dito si ISISI. So we need him to go up and then there's a retracement. Kung maritis na itong support, so this is good for ISISI. But congrats sa nakabili nito noong October 26, yesterday, kasi nag-bounce lang dito sa my incline support. So ngayong araw, umangat ng 12.82%. So we'll wait for another retracement for ISISI. Kung hindi pa kayo nakabili, we need to wait for another retracement. But kung nakabili kayo nito, just hold and we will see, maybe we will hit the EMA 200. So tingnan, kung may position na kayo dito, hintay-hintay lang. Kung may momentum na bababa na yung price. Kung nakabili kayo kanina. But if you did not buy this stock today, wait for another opportunity. So we need to see if we will going back to this resistance, which has become support. Okay. Now let's going back to STI. STI, we discussed this one also last week. Si STI ay umangat ng 4.62% ngayon. But if we see the overall price pattern, we need RSI to be here. Kung mag-stay siya dito, then it's good for STI. So we will see kung mag-stay na siya ditong area. So wala pa tayong makita na pattern ngayon. We will wait for another price action for STI. For me, this is for my idea only. So I will wait. There is a price action in this area for STI. Next one is WIB. So WIB po ay we discussed this one also in several time, maybe 2 weeks ago or 1 week, I do not remember. But now, as I said last time, we need to wait wave to be here on this area. So nag-stay siya dito, and then today umangat ng 13.08%. But again, kung hindi kayo nakabili nito, wait for another opportunity. Because ito po yung tama na area, because nag-hold po siya dito, no? So you can test buy, but if the support breakdown, then you will escape. And then lang po yung trading. So ngayon, umangat siya ng 0.34 centavos, no? So We will see tomorrow what is the next price action of WIB. Tingnan natin yung MACD. Yung MACD nasa taas naman ng signal line, and then the EDX is above 25. So there's a strength and there's a momentum also. So we will wait for another price action now because kung hindi tayo nakabili ngayong araw, so antayan tayo ng next opportunity. Next one is PHA. Si PHA ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages yung price. But nag-create siya ng resistance ditong area. And then we will see kung mag-bounce si PHA dito sa may support line. Okay? Kasi nag-retrace siya ngayon. So we will see kung mag-bounce siya din sa may horizontal line. Kung ma-hold niya, then we can tisbay on that area. Okay, take note kung mag-tisbay tayo, and then if the trade hindi mag-materialize, because di po natin ma-perfect yan, no? Because there are a lot of people in the stock market. Lahat ng tao ay inisip yung profit. So kung ma-break yung support, then you need to take action immediately. Kung nakabantay ka sa market. So we need to wait PHA to going back to the support area. But you can check this one in the hourly chart. We will see in the hourly chart kung ano yung price action ni PHA, no? So here, this is the hourly chart of PHA. So there's a possibility na mag-retrace pa si PHA based on the 1-hour chart. Kasi may resistance siya dito na nag-create siya ng resistance dito na area around 0.35. So we need to see if we will going back and lumapit siya sa may 20, then we will check. So in the daily chart, the same is retracing, no? So we need to wait kung mag-bounce siya sa may support area. Pwede rin siya dito. We will see this area also. So monitor this area. Kung mag-hold siya dyan. So if not, we'll going back to near AMI 200, the support below. So just monitor PHA kasi nandiyan na yan sa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So si EI ay na-break na itong resistance dito ngayon, bumalik na sa baba. So we will transfer this line above. Okay. So now what we'll do for EI, we need to wait if EI ay bumalik dito sa may incline support. Itong area na ito. So we need to monitor EI kung bumalik siya dito. Kung lagyan natin ng trend line yan, para ma-measure natin kung may momentum pa si EI, i-connect natin yung high, then tumama siya dito sa area, no? So, kung kung bababa si EI, halimbawa, no? Bababa si EI dito sa may incline support, and then mag-bounce siya kung wari lang, this is the example, and then hindi siya umabot doon sa pinaka taas na linya, Mag-bounce siya ulit dito, magbaba. So this is the indication that the momentum is losing. So yan po ang pagbasa sa chart based on the price action. Pag bumaba si EI and then mag-bounce, hindi umabot dito sa may horizontal line above, which is the resistance area. Dito lang siya sa may kalahati and then going back again. So this is the indication of losing momentum. So mag-ingat po tayo pag ganyan ang mangyari. Pero kung tatama siya doon sa may incline, yung may horizontal resistance, so there's possibility that I will break this resistance area. So we need to see if mag-bounce ba si EI dito sa may incline support. Kasi bearish candle po ngayon si EI. So we'll see another price action of EI. So LTG, LTG ay tumataas po ito ng yung presyo na nakapasok sa above sa lahat ng exponential moving averages. Kung i-measure natin yung galing dito sa may 200, it's around 41% yung angat. 2 days na nag-down si LTG and there's a foreign ceiling today 30.83 million. So we will see kung mag-hold si LTG dito na area. Ito yung support. But in case ma-break na ito, we will wait LTG to going back to the next support below this area. So tingnan natin ha. So bakit po ito nagiging support, no? So we will check all the previous price action. So ano natin, palitan natin. So this area, so yan, no? This area, nag-bounce si LTG. So this is the resistance now. So dito nag-bounce, hindi naka-penetrate. So it means this is a resistant support before. So we will see kung mag-hold siya dyan. If not, dito yan sa baba. So yung area na yan, no? And then if na, it will not, hindi siya mag-hold yan. So there's a possibility na babalik siya dito sa baba. So we will see, no? Tingnan natin na si LTG kung may bounce dito. And then there is a pattern na makreate niya or mag-sideways ba siya. So this is good. But for now, wag mo nang sasakay dito sa may LTG dahil baka ma-break yung support na ito and then going down. So malayo-layo yan sa MA20. So hintay-hintay lang muna. Next opportunity for LTG. The last one is ALLHC. So last time, as we discussed this ALLHC, there's a possibility na babalik siya dito sa may incline support. So ngayon, nag-break lang siya ng county 3 days, and then now babalik naman siya dito sa may loob ng resistant, below resistant, no? So we'll see kung mag-bounce siya ulit dito, babalik siya dito sa may area na ito. Okay? Tingnan natin kung bumalik si ALLHC dyan. This incline support. So kailangan hindi niya ma-break yung incline support na yan. So we will see. So bumaba si ALLHC ngayon ng 2.77, 2.12%. So we will see in the next price action of ALLHC. So, but we need to keep in touch and we will monitor if certain stock ay nasa support area. Ngayon, malayo po yan sa support. Kung down yan, so there's a possibility that he will going back to this incline support. So, hintay-hintay lang muna tayo. And we will see always the PCI, kung ano na yung price action ni PCI. Kasi pag mag-retrace si PCI, majority of the stock ay mag-retrace down din. So, that's all for today. Thank you. I hope that you learned something about this one. This is only my strategy in analyzing the price action. And before I go, I shout out to my viewers. Engineer Edwin Bilang, thank you. So, Engineer Enrique Lamontad also, thank you very much. And I hope that we will practice, no? We need to practice good entry in the stock market. Buying shares is very important. And we will see also if there is a momentum or nag-lose na ba yung momentum para ma-aware po tayo, no? What's the price action, next price action? Kasi kung mag-lose momentum, there's a possibility that the support will be break down. So, thank you and God bless us all always.